In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on LinkedIn. Navigating LinkedIn can be quite straightforward, but sometimes you might want to zoom in, especially when you're editing your profile picture to make that first impression count. Let's dive into how you can do just that, ensuring your profile looks just the way you want it. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. You'll see the option to sign in. You can either continue with your Google account or enter your account details directly on LinkedIn. Occasionally, for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you with a CAPTCHA verification. This is just a routine check to make sure it's really you trying to log in. Once you've successfully signed in, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll find your profile photo there. This small image acts as a gateway to your LinkedIn profile settings and more. Click on your profile photo. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu that offers several options. From here, you want to select View Profile to proceed to your LinkedIn profile page. This brings you closer to the part where you can start zooming in. On your profile page, you'll notice your profile photo taking center stage. Click on this photo to enter the edit mode. Once in edit mode, you'll see various options to tweak your profile photo just the way you like it. Now look for the edit button. It's usually positioned somewhere around your profile photo. Clicking on Edit will bring up the photo editing tools LinkedIn offers, including the zoom functionality we're here for. To zoom in on your photo, you'll see a bar that you can drag to the right. Dragging this bar adjusts the zoom level of your photo, allowing you to focus on the aspects of your photo you want to highlight. After you've adjusted the zoom to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Photo button. It's your final step in this process. Once you click it, your newly zoomed in profile photo will be set and visible on your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. Zooming in on your LinkedIn profile photo is a simple process that can significantly impact your profile's appearance. Remember, your profile photo is often the first thing people notice, so making sure it's presented exactly how you want is key to making a great first impression. Whether you're job searching, networking, or just updating your LinkedIn profile, taking the time to adjust your photo can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy networking.